It's going up almost to normal. That, as long as it keeps the engine that warm, that throttle body icon won't come on. It only comes on when it says, hey, this engine is running too cool. It should have been warmed up by now. Something's wrong. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I saw something there.
There's a couple of them. I just wondered.
But then some.
Yeah.
Boy, birds are really pecking that snag. And woodpeckers. Kid, you know, Lonson's Thicket, Turkey Knob, Scott's Sheep Shed, Rudder's Woods, you know.
Yeah.
And I just think I would take a ride up around. Some of the voices that I've heard saying that would be like Sam, Mom, Frank, your mom and dad, or us when we're talking. And I just happen to think, where am I going to go this morning? I drive out and go past Turkey Knob. That's the place Mom knew about. That's the place Frank knew. Everybody knew Turkey Knob. A lot of people knew about it and didn't know where it was. Where is that knob? Well, me and you actually, yeah, we actually went up. I think that's about as close as you can get to it.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-huh.
Look at that.
Yeah, on the vines. Yeah, look at this tree here and them woods.
This place got plastered.
Yeah, it did.
You'll see it. See it on there. November the 10th. We got our first snow. Leah's birthday. Look at that.
Isn't that something I was able to come up with little pixies riding a leaf to the ground just by telling AI, and there wasn't none existing. He could show me. He made up one, you know?
Yeah.
According to the description. Look out there at the light on that. Greene.
Right back in here got pretty good.
Yeah, it did. It looks like it was blowing this way.
Yeah.
And right down here's the bank where the Vivian flowers. That's something that nature cut a little V into them petals for you.
You think they were just for me?
Yeah. They were for me to see, to think of you. Are we going to be out till it's time to come back with Beth?
Probably.
Yeah, so certain times when it snows, driven by wind, it just goes all the way up the side of a tree.
Mm-hmm.
You know, the lines of whole. There's a bank where this year we'll come down through here, and it'll be our next spring after winter. Say, hey, look, the Vivian flowers are up.
Look at that tree. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Twisted.
Mm-hmm. Up to the right a bit. The
Yeah,
next
there's another one. Oh, there. Yeah.
Yeah, we were backed up against that tree right there, looking out this way. We got 2 foxes that night come down out of there, 3 minutes apart. But while we were seated there, picture now, it's about midnight, pitch black. On the other side of this old road, just beyond that game land sign, a pack of coyotes just over the road there started screaming at the top of their voice. Me and Brian jumped straight in the air, had no control over the reflex action sometime when you hear them things.